Curious about how to show your website visitors their own IP address right inside your WordPress site? Whether you want to boost transparency, add a fun interactive element, or start learning about user data display, this tutorial will walk you step by step through the easiest way to do it, all without touching a single line of code. By the end, you'll know how to instantly show any visitor their IP using a straightforward plugin solution that's perfect for beginners. Let's get right into it. The recommended method here is to use a WordPress plugin, which is hands down the simplest and safest way. No risk of making tweaks in the code, breaking anything, or getting bogged down in technical details. Plugins are tools that add new features to your WordPress site, and this task is a classic example of where they shine. First things first, we'll need to install the right plugin. So from your WordPress dashboard, look for the side menu that says Plugins. Give that a click. Then select Add New. This brings up a search bar. Just type in phrases like Show IP Address or User IP and Location. You'll notice several plugins pop up, but for today, let's pick something reliable like Show IP Address by Keith Griffiths. When you find it, hit Install Now. The process might take a couple of seconds depending on your internet speed, but you'll see the progress bar move as WordPress fetches the plugin. Once installation finishes, click the blue Activate button. Don't worry, activating a plugin is safe and it just tells WordPress to turn on its features. Okay, with the plugin installed and activated, your website is now ready to show users their IP addresses. The next step is deciding where you want that information displayed. Maybe you want it on a contact page for troubleshooting, right in the sidebar, or even inside a post to start a conversation about internet safety. That's entirely your choice. Now let's add the magic bit, the shortcode. Shortcodes are like tiny pieces of instruction you can paste into a page or widget, and WordPress will know to swap them for the plugin's output, like automatically showing the user's IP address. To do this, edit the page, post, or widget where you want the IP to appear. If you're working on a page or post, you can add a shortcode block, which is designed specifically for this purpose. In sidebars, look for a text widget, which lets you drop shortcodes right into your site's sidebar or footer. Here, type in the shortcode from your chosen plugin. For our example, you'd enter show IP, or depending on the plugin, it might be user IP location type equals IP. If you're ever unsure, the plugin description usually lists the specific shortcode you need. Paste it in just as you see it, no extra formatting required. Once you've added the shortcode, make sure to hit Publish or Update on the page. That saves your changes and makes your new feature live. Now, whenever someone visits that part of your site, they'll see their own IP address displayed, updated automatically. It's really that simple. If you don't see the IP immediately, reload the page or clear your cache. Sometimes WordPress plugins take a moment to show new features. So there you have it. You've just added a smart, personalized touch to your WordPress site, no coding knowledge needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into issues. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more straightforward, practical WordPress tips, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching.